Driving a manual car is exciting, but small mistakes can lead to costly repairs or even permanent damage. Are you unknowingly harming your transmission? We'll reveal 10 common mistakes manual drivers make and how to avoid them. Stick around until the end. Some of these habits might surprise you. Number 10. Running on empty. Many people think they can stretch a tank by running their car on fumes to save a few bucks. But in a manual car, that's a dangerous game. Running low on fuel isn't just an inconvenience. It can seriously damage your engine. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about cars and much more. When you let the fuel drop too low, the fuel pump starts sucking in air and any dirt or debris that has settled at the bottom of the tank. This can clog the fuel filter, which is supposed to protect your engine from contaminants. A clogged filter disrupts the smooth flow of fuel to the engine, and that's when problems arise. The fuel pump can overheat and fail early, causing major headaches. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway with the fuel gauge on empty, pushing it to reach the next station. Suddenly, your engine sputters and dies, leaving you stranded. Not only have you run out of fuel, but now you're looking at expensive repairs due to a damaged fuel pump or clogged filter. So the next time that fuel light comes on, don't gamble. Fill up your tank to avoid costly damage. Your car and your wallet will thank you. Number 9. Driving through deep water. A flooded street might seem harmless at first glance, but it's a trap for manual transmission cars. Can you believe it? What looks like a minor inconvenience can actually result in catastrophic damage to your vehicle. Driving through deep water is not only dangerous, it can lead to serious transmission issues. When water levels rise above your car's exhaust system or transmission vents, it can easily seep into the internal components. For a manual car, this is particularly risky. Water entering the transmission vents can contaminate the transmission fluid, which is essential for smooth shifting and lubricating the parts. The result? Rust and corrosion begin to eat away at the vital components of your transmission, leading to costly repairs or even a complete replacement. Doesn't that sound crazy? A simple drive through a flooded street can trigger irreversible damage that could have been easily avoided. And if you thought that was bad, wait until you hear about what happens when you're not being gentle when stuck in snow. So, what should you do when you encounter standing water? First, slow down and avoid deep water whenever possible. If you absolutely have to cross a flooded area, proceed with caution. Keep the engine revs low to avoid water being sucked into the engine. And if the water reaches mid-tire level or higher, it's better to turn around and find an alternative route. Water and cars don't mix well, especially when it comes to manual transmissions. Stay dry and protect your car from the danger lurking in those flooded streets. Number 8. Shifting gears while moving. Shifting gears while the car is still in motion, especially from drive to reverse or vice versa, is one of the most damaging things you can do to a manual transmission. Can you believe it? Many drivers unknowingly put excessive strain on their gearbox and clutch by doing this. When you shift from drive to reverse without coming to a full stop, the transmission's internal components are forced to change direction while the car is still moving. This places an incredible amount of stress on the gearbox, causing it to grind and wear out much faster than normal. Over time, this can lead to costly gearbox repairs or even the need for a full replacement. Doesn't that sound crazy? It's like trying to turn the steering wheel of a moving car, just not built to handle that kind of force. And while it might seem like a quick shortcut to avoid stopping completely, the long-term consequences are far worse. The right way to shift gears safely is simple. Always bring the car to a complete stop before shifting between drive and reverse. This ensures that the gears are properly aligned, reducing strain on the transmission and clutch. It's a small pause, but one that can save you from costly repairs down the road. So, next time you're at a stoplight or parking, remember, full stop, then shift. Your gearbox will thank you. Number 7. Not warming up in cold weather. Cold temperatures can wreak havoc on your manual transmission if you're not careful. Can you believe it? A car that feels fine to drive in warmer weather can suddenly become sluggish and unresponsive in the cold. This happens because the transmission fluid, which keeps all the moving parts lubricated, thickens in low temperatures. When the fluid is too thick, it doesn't circulate properly, leading to stiff shifting and unnecessary wear on the components. Imagine starting your car on a cold winter morning and rushing off without warming it up first. The transmission struggles to shift smoothly, causing friction and strain on the gears. Over time, this can wear out key parts of your transmission and shorten its lifespan. Doesn't that sound crazy? A few extra minutes of warming up your car could save you from expensive repairs in the future. And speaking of transmission, did you know that neglecting to change it can also lead to serious issues? There's a lot of talk about how neglecting transmission fluid changes can be a costly mistake. You won't believe what can happen if you overlook this simple task. Stay tuned to find out more about this often overlooked maintenance task that could save you a fortune. So, what's the best way to protect your car during cold weather? Start the engine and let it idle for a minute or two to allow the transmission fluid to warm up and thin out. Once you're on the road, drive gently for the first few miles. Avoid heavy acceleration and hard shifts until the transmission fluid is at its optimal temperature. Neglecting this simple habit could result in long-term damage to your transmission. Think of it as giving your car a little time to wake up before it starts working hard. A few minutes of patience now can save you a lot of trouble and money later on. Number 6. Shifting into park before stopping. Impatience while parking is something many drivers struggle with. You're pulling into a spot, the light turns green, and instead of waiting for the car to come to a complete stop, you rush to shift into park. Can you believe it? It might seem like a harmless shortcut, but it's actually a big mistake that can lead to serious transmission issues. Shifting into park before your car is fully stopped puts a tremendous strain on the parking powel, a small but critical part of your transmission. This powel is responsible for locking the transmission and preventing the car from rolling when in park. When you shift too early, the pawel engages before the car has fully stopped, causing it to grind and wear out prematurely. This can lead to difficulty shifting gears in the future, or even a complete failure of the parking mechanism. Doesn't that sound crazy? A small act of impatience can cause lasting damage to your car. The strain on the clutch and other components from this habit can also accelerate wear and tear, adding to the cost of repairs down the line. So, what should you do instead? When parking, make sure the car is at a complete stop before shifting into the park. This small adjustment prevents unnecessary strain on the transmission and helps ensure smooth and safe parking. Taking that extra moment to stop fully is a small price to pay for avoiding bigger, more costly problems later on. Number 5. Turning off the car before it's in park. It might seem like a harmless act, but turning off your car before it's in park can cause major damage to your transmission. Can you believe it? It's a simple mistake many drivers make when they're in a hurry to leave their car, but it can lead to significant internal damage. When you turn off the engine before the car is in park, the input shaft, which connects the engine to the transmission, can become disconnected from the rest of the system. This happens because the gears haven't fully engaged into park yet. The result? Stress on the internal components of the transmission causes them to wear out faster. Over time, this can lead to costly repairs, or in some cases, the need to replace the entire transmission. Doesn't that sound crazy? A quick decision to turn off the car before it's properly secured in the arc can result in serious damage you'll wish you'd avoided. The input shaft is crucial for locking the transmission, and not allowing it to engage properly can cause it to grind, leading to a breakdown or malfunction down the road. And if you think that's surprising, wait until you hear about the issues that can arise from idling and drive for too long. It's another common mistake that can have serious consequences for your vehicle. To avoid this issue, always make sure the gear is securely in park before turning off your engine. It takes just a few seconds, but it can save you from facing expensive repairs in the future. Trust us, taking that extra moment will protect your car and help you avoid unnecessary hassle later on. Number 4. Neglecting transmission. Fluid changes. Transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your car's gearbox, but many drivers overlook its importance. Can you believe it? Something as simple as clean transmission fluid can make or break the performance of a manual car. Over time, transmission fluid collects debris, loses its viscosity, and becomes less effective at reducing friction. This might not seem like a big deal at first, but as the fluid degrades, it stops properly lubricating the gears, causing them to grind against each other. The result? Increased friction, excessive heat buildup, and eventual wear and tear on the internal components. Doesn't that sound crazy? All this damage can happen just because of old or insufficient fluid. Neglecting to check or change your transmission fluid can lead to major problems, from difficulty shifting gears to complete transmission failure. And here's the kicker. Replacing an entire transmission is one of the most expensive repairs a car owner can face. So, how can you avoid this costly mistake? Regular maintenance is key. Check your car's manual for the recommended schedule, but as a general rule, transmission fluid should be checked at least once every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Look for any signs of discoloration or a burnt smell, as these indicate it's time for a change. Keeping your transmission fluid fresh and clean ensures your manual car runs smoothly for years to come. Don't let something so simple turn into a nightmare for your wallet. Number 3. Hard acceleration. Hard acceleration might feel exhilarating, but it's one of the quickest ways to wear out your car's vital components. Can you believe it? That burst of speed comes at a high cost, not just for your wallet, but for your car's overall health. Aggressive driving puts immense stress on your clutch and gearbox. The clutch, designed to handle gradual transitions, wears out much faster when forced to engage abruptly during rapid acceleration. The gearbox, too, takes a hit as the sudden demand for speed pushes it to its limits. Over time, these habits can lead to premature clutch failure and gear damage, which are both expensive and time-consuming to repair. Doesn't that sound crazy? A few moments of thrill can cause thousands of dollars in repairs. And it's not just about wear and tear. Hard acceleration also burns more fuel than necessary, drastically reducing your car's efficiency. You'll find yourself spending more at the pump while simultaneously shortening your car's lifespan. To protect your car, practice smoother acceleration. Gradually increase speed instead of slamming on the gas pedal. If you're driving a manual, shift gears at the appropriate RPM to avoid overloading the engine or clutch. Not only will this help your car last longer, but it will also save you money on repairs and fuel in the long run. So, the next time you're tempted to floor it, remember, slow and steady wins the race and saves your car. Number 2. Idling and drive for too long. Sitting in traffic with your car idling and drive might seem harmless, but it's silently wreaking havoc on your vehicle. Can you believe it? Something as routine as waiting at a red light can lead to long-term damage if you're not careful. When your car idles and drive, the cooling system is forced to work overtime, especially in hot weather. Over time, this added stress can lead to overheating and potential system failures. But that's not all. Prolonged idling also causes oil dilution, where unburned fuel mixes with engine oil. Doesn't that sound crazy? This weakens the oil's ability to lubricate engine components, accelerating wear and tear. The clutch isn't spared either. Keeping the car in drive with your foot on the brake puts unnecessary strain on the clutch mechanism. Combine that with the extra fuel your car burns during idling, and you're looking at increased maintenance costs and wasted gas. So, what can you do to avoid these issues? If you're going to be stationary for more than a minute, consider shifting to neutral or even turning off the engine. These small actions reduce stress on your car's components and save fuel in the process. Remember, idling might seem convenient, but it's an invisible enemy to your car's health. Take control and adopt smarter habits to keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. Number 1. Not being gentle when stuck in snow. Think that your car is stuck in a snowbank, wheels spinning wildly as you rev the engine, hoping brute force will set you free. Can you believe it? What feels like a desperate attempt to escape can actually cause serious damage to your car's transmission. When you rev the engine in situations like this, the excessive power generated doesn't translate to traction. It just places immense strain on the transmission. The sudden jerks and continuous spinning wear down the clutch, overheating it and causing significant internal damage. In extreme cases, this habit can lead to complete transmission failure. Doesn't that sound crazy? A moment of panic in the snow could cost you thousands in repairs. Instead of relying on brute force, there are smarter ways to get unstuck. Rocking the car gently back and forth, alternating between first and reverse gear, can help build momentum without straining the transmission. Another lifesaver? Traction aids like sand, cat litter, or traction mats are placed under your tires to help them grip the surface. Remember, your transmission isn't built to endure prolonged stress, especially in conditions like snow or mud. A little patience and the right techniques can make all the difference. So the next time you're stuck, don't let frustration take over. Treat your car gently, and it'll thank you by staying on the road, not in the repair shop. These 10 mistakes might seem minor at first glance, but they can lead to major damage to your manual car. From neglecting simple maintenance tasks like checking transmission fluid to dangerous habits like revving the engine when stuck in the snow, each of these missteps takes a toll on your car's lifespan and your wallet. Can you believe how much harm a moment of carelessness can do? Now, it's your turn. Treat your car right, and it will go the extra mile for you. Start making these small adjustments today and enjoy smoother rides, better fuel efficiency, and fewer trips to the repair shop. Like and share if you found these tips helpful. If you're a fan of legendary engines, check out our video on 10 Toyota engines that last forever. It's a must-watch for any car enthusiast. Don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling content.